Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Shine Lip Sampler. I love when they come out with these sets, but a lot of the time I already have the products that are in the kit, so I don't end up getting it. I do have one of these. I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm, but I do not have anything else. Well, I actually just got this Nars mini lip balm for my BIB Rouge birthday present, but I haven't tried it yet. So we're gonna go in and try these, and I'm gonna let you know if I think it is worth $34. I mean, if you're gonna use 2 or 3 of these, I definitely think it is. So we're gonna start with the, okay, I can't find my Fenty Glow, and I don't want to try this one on because I want to be able to keep it for a giveaway. So I'm just going to try on the shade Cupcaking. But this is just like a nude kind of rose gold color. This one's more pink. But I know that this is $18 on its own, so okay. I really do like the formula of her glosses as well. Okay, next, let's try this Nars Mini Afterglow Lip Balm in Laguna. You know, I've never tried the Laguna bronzer. I was gonna buy it, and then I saw that this year's birthday gift, was the bronzer in the mini lip balm, so I'm like, I'm gonna hold out. And I just used it today for the first time. I really like it, it's nice. I'm not sure about this though. Hopefully it doesn't come off as brown. It does. But it's very hydrating, which it should be. It's a lip balm. And it's not like too brown. It's kind of like a nude. Yeah, I actually like that. Ooh, now I'm gonna try the Pat McGrath Lust Gloss in Flesh number 6. Yes. Let me swatch it for you. So that's a, like, kind of a brownish nude. Let's see. Oh, I don't know about that. It's very creamy. It's not sticky. It's like a thicker gloss consistency. The color isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but I don't know if this is a color I would wear. They're trying to put some like colors in here that will work for a wide range of people, but alright. Okay, next we have this Milk Makeup Electric Glossy Lip Plumper in Plumped. Ooh, I'm excited about this. So this is one of the full-size items. There's 3. There's this one, the Fenty Lip Gloss, and then the Huda Beauty Silk Balm. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. Try that. Alright, let me see. Oh, is this clear? What the heck? I guess it's a clear gloss? I can taste like peppermint. I guess that's the plumper. It's a comfortable gloss. Okay, so I guess this is just a clear lip plumper. I don't know why I was expecting it to be a color. Okay, that's kind of disappointing. Alright, now let me try the last one, which is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm Hydrating and Nourishing Lip Balm in Blush. Ooh, there is what it looks like. And, ooh, it's like almost clear, but it has a hint of like peach or nude. Let me put it on. That's really hydrating. Ooh, it's stinging a little bit, or burning. It's not overwhelming though. That almost looks like a clear gloss. I guess you can see there is a little color to it, but I'm disappointed in this kit, if I'm being honest. I think I might return it. I don't know. If you think you would wear like this darker color and you need some good like clear glosses, then I would recommend this. Otherwise, I just don't think there's anything really special about it, to be honest. And I think it might be going back. I don't know. What do you guys think about seeing just what I tried on? Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video.